What's the meaning of cognate? Cognate. Cognate.
Cognate. Cognate. The term cognate refers to a word that has a common origin with another word in a different language. Such words often share a similar meaning or related concepts. For example, the English word brother is a cognate of the German word Bruder, as both words share the same Proto-Indo-European root word tutor. Cognates are important for understanding the relationships between different languages and their histories. By recognizing cognates, we can better understand how languages have evolved over time and how they are related to each other.